Hello everybody, this is Jack Ravi. In this video I'm going to open this collage kit with vintage postcards that a friend of mine made and sent me a kit for free, which was really sweet, and I'm really excited to open this. I have received it. She sent it to me now over a week ago, but I waited and waited until I had the time to film this video. So I really had to wait patiently to not open this because I was really excited to open it, but I wanted to open it kind of live with this video so that we can look at it together. So I've been really on edge. I'm excited to open it and the time has finally come, so I'm going to open it and we can look at what's inside. Okay, the box is already really lovely. It opens with a magnet. And then inside we have a book, the Vintage Postcard Collage Kit. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Maya Angelou. Starting a book with a quote by Maya Angelou already sold it for me. And so inside there's an invitation to creative play, and there's a whole list of materials and supplies, collage step by step, embroidery, words play step by step, paint, and stamping. So the idea is that you can take some of these techniques and use them to alter these vintage photos. It talks about collage, talks about where to find original postcards, but there is also 100 postcards in here, I believe, which we're going to look at right now. So there's embroidery, there's a whole bunch of techniques and ideas to alter these postcards. Fun! This is a really fun series of ideas. Oh, and then there's a gallery. Oh, that's the work of Katie. So Katie is an artist that I met in France when I was on a creative retreat that she hosted, and that's where I met Kelly, who is the person who created this kit. So we met a few months ago now in France for the summer, and we were on a creative retreat together, and then when I came back, Kelly sent me this kit, and there's the work of Katie as well, who hosted us in France. So it's a lovely kind of full circle moment for the three of us. The book is lovely, great ideas. I can already see, I mean, I'm seeing this for the first time, so I've not read everything, but it looks like it's got quite a good range of ideas to alter postcards. And then in here, all right, so in here we have the postcards. So there's 100 postcards in here, and these are vintage from the 1900 to the 1960s. So they're obviously reproduction of vintage postcards, and there's a whole range of imagery here. Very, very nice quality. The back is the lovely vintage kind of Art Nouveau postcard stamp graphic. I think they're all the same. Yep. Really lovely. And I'm not going to show every single postcard, but they're really sweet. They're like vintage kind of ads, vintage photos as well. A good range, I would say. There's a lot of marketing kind of vintage ads. I love your curly hair. And oh, this is lovely. Which I can also imagine using for collage as well as collaging on them. Gorgeous. There is really something for every mood and every season and every festivity. Oh, that's Italy. These are zodiac signs. Oh, I love this. Really good quality, really good range. The paper feels really nice. I would say that this is a nice kind of cardstock thickness. Yeah, you can easily write on this. I can see that I was going to test writing on them in case they were kind of more on the shiny side, but no, this is cardstock. You will be absolutely fine to actually use them as postcards and send them once you've done your alterations. And then here we also have stickers. Everybody loves stickers. Oh, these are lovely patterns. Cute. Nice. Yeah, I love the words. Oh, these are beautiful. Love that. Love that. And these are papers for collage. Really good quality print as well. There's some vintage botanicals, beautiful patterns, very Morris. And I can imagine you can cut out shapes out of this as well, and use them for collage as well. Beautiful. This kind of liberty imageries. You can add hats and this. This is very my vibe. I love this. Fun. This is a really good kit. I think it's a really nice idea for somebody that maybe needs to kind of find some playtime. I would imagine this to be really fun for anybody. Obviously, as a collage artist, there are things that I would use out of here, and others that maybe aren't my style. But this is what's cool about this, that there's so much in here, that there's a lot that I would like, and those that I maybe wouldn't use, that can be really nice, like even additions for me. If I were to add kind of personalized items to my orders when I ship them out, I could add a postcard like this, maybe alter it, or even just as it is. And then there are elements that I could use for my own work. Like this could easily be featured in some of my collages, as well as some of this kind of papers. Yeah, this for sure. And so there's stuff that I could definitely use for my own work, and other elements that I could definitely see for like cards, and just maybe send to friends as postcards, and just kind of hopefully maybe even inspire some nice old-fashioned pen pal writing. Fun. This is really good, and I'm going to go through the book properly and see if I get even more ideas of how I can use this postcards, as well as just to make pieces of art. Great kit. I mean, the quality is wonderful. This is a really well put together work. It's by story.com. It's available on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the caption. And yeah, very, very sleek. I like how compact it is. This is really good quality. So yeah, if you want to buy this for yourself or as a gift, I'll put the link in the description. And again, thank you, Kelly, for sending this. I'm going to go through it properly, and maybe one day you'll receive one postcard from me. Thank you all for watching. Bye now.